Myself Lakshya Rawat, and I'm presenting Sentinel9, an autonomous AI agent that revolutionizes incident response for SRE teams. What's the problem? When a production breaks at 3 a.m., engineers spend 4+ hours hunting through the code to find the bug. That's approximately $17,000 loss in production and for the particular incident. Sentinel9 solves this problem within 10 seconds. Yeah, you heard it right, within 10 seconds using the agentic AI architecture. So I'll first explain what's the current, present the incident's response currently being followed. First, as soon as the alert fires, engineer wakes up, dig through logs for approximately 20 minutes, read all the recent commits, that is taking around another 2 hours to 3 hours, write and test a fix for the next 2 to 4 hours, then create a pull request for the following and wait for the review. This approximately seems for a process of 12 to 18 hours, and you're losing $4,200 per hour in revenue, plus your SRE team is burning out. To fix this schedule, we have Sentinel9. Here, when Sentinel9 comes into the real action, now watch Sentinel9 into action. I have intentionally deployed a memory leak bug to test our application. So let's create a Jira incident, diving into the Jira dashboard. What I've done so this is our test repository that we are using as the source code, the source repository. I've created a bug of the database connection pool being exhausted. Since I've reduced the reduction pool from 20 to 2 with a realistic cost saving justification. So I'll just dive straight into my Jira account, create an incident, add a summary. So this would be a summary, production API diagnoses, and a detailed description report of what is currently happening to our incident, the bug that has been changed. I'll just copy that for time saving purposes. So this is the priority, the description, the incident start, its symptoms, everything, its matrices, recent changes, affected services, and the potential business loss. And I'll simply hit the create button. And boom, we can see our Jira 51. We have created an incident 51 running. I'll straight dive to my logs to show you how things are happening on the backend side. It's running. Yeah. So our Sentinel9 system has correctly catched all the commits and the pools, and we could see that here as well, that Sentinel9 has been investigating our code and the potential causes, and yeah, it does. The commit reduces the database connection pool from 20 to 2, which is likely the cause of database pool being exhausted. So it has made a curated incident report of what has been done and what are the potential changes. And if you could see that our test repo is now have a pull request from the Sentinel9 with the potential corrections of what has been done. If you open this pull request, all the detailed reasoning, what have been done, what the solutions that have been given, everything, and we'll simply merge this pull request, confirming the merge. And yeah, we're good to go. We've solved this issue. So the moment I created the ticket, the Sentinel9 AI agent kicked in. This is the architecture. Let me explain quickly how things are working under the hood. So Sentinel9 runs on an Atlassian Forge, a serverless platform that integrates natively with Jira and Confluence. When an incident is created, it triggers our async event handler that immediately starts the analysis. We securely fetch recent commits from the GitHub using the encrypted API credentials. The code differences are sent to the LLM models that have been running on 800 tokens per minute. All this request is being curated by the request builder agent. We securely fetches the commit. Then the AI analyzes the code changes, correlates them with the incident symptoms, and outputs the confidence score with the reasoning. The confidence score, if it exceeds the threshold of our system, of the Sentinel9 system, we automatically create a pull request with a recommended fix. Finally, all the post-complete analysis has been sent to Jira via the comments and the link, the PR, creating full tractability. Not only the SRE agent, but the Sentinel9 also has a compliance guard mode that protects it from data leaks. Yeah, you got it right. So what's this? I'm creating a Confluence page with a sensitive employee data, but I've created an issue sensitive, that is a data sensitive page that have all the credentials, the data that could lead to potential big losses. So I'll just publish it, and I'll see that as soon as I publish it, yeah, within seconds, Sentinel9 scans this page using advanced regex patterns and AI verifications to detect any sensitive information. And if I could reload this page, yeah, there you see. It's been automatically reducted. All the SSNs, the credit card details, and the email IDs all have been replaced with the redact marks. Plus, the compliance ticket has been created in Jira with a complete audit trail for HIPAA and the GDPR compliance. This prevents data breaches before they happen. No more accidental PII exposures in the documentation. So, what makes Sentinel9 unique? First, the dual mode capability of SRE detection automation plus real-time compliance protection is the first thing. We are fully autonomous, like tools like PagerDuty, Just Alert. We analyze, fix, and protect the thing. We use a high-level LPU architecture with analysis in 2 to 3 seconds versus the traditional cloud AI methods that use 10 to 15 seconds. The production proven with real bugs, memory leaks, database errors, configuration issues. We have accuracy of 90%. Enterprise grade security, all credentials have been encrypted, environmental variables production ready from day one, no leak of data at all. What's the return of investment? We save $17,400 per major incident and prevent $1 million data breaches with our redaction. So, concluding my words, I just want to say that Sentinel9 is a production ready today. We have tested it with real incidents, database connection bugs, memory leaks, every kind of technical error that could occur in an incident with a 90% accuracy. A compliance guard has detected and predicted with a PII of over 13 different technical patterns of data violation. Everything runs securely on Atlassian Forge with encrypted credentials and enterprise grade practices, because incidents happen at 3 a.m. but your engineer shouldn't have to wake up, and the data breaches shouldn't happen at all. So yeah, this is what we have as Team Stellar built